Hi traders, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your open positions and close a trade from the XM website. While viewing a chart, tap on the arrows above it and jump straight to your open positions. Here, you'll see key details about your active trades, including symbol, size, entry price, and more. To close a position, tap on Close Trade, then Confirm to exit the position. You can also access your open positions by going directly to the Trade section. From there, follow the same step. Tap Close Trade and Confirm. Once closed, your trade will move to History. Tap to expand and view full details of your closed positions. It's that simple. With just a few steps, you can monitor, manage, and close your trades all in one place. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.